What is going on, guys? It's Arden Racing back here with another YouTube video, and today I actually went for my first Diecast toy and merchandise meet here at SG, organized by EO Diecast Toys, the TT Rockers, and there were a lot of people here. They did Diecast SG's 164 custom and so on, and I spent a lot of money. And today I'm going to show you the loose purchases from a series of cars that I bought, and those are none other than the Koenigsegg Agera R from the Gumball 3000 edition, the Lotus Esprit S1 from the Hotwheels Car Culture Premium set, as well as the Hot Wheels Premium Night Rider, the Kid Super Pursuit mode. And I'm going to just show you a quick overview of these three cars. I actually bought them loose, I didn't buy them carded, so they're going to go into the box. And yeah, I'm just going to really quick show of the three cars here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video and have fun. And that's about the end of this video, guys. It's a rather quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. I sure had a lot of fun, and I'm super amped to have this in my collection. But yeah, like I said earlier, I'm going to leave them in the collection. So here is the Lotus Esprit. I'm just going to leave it on top of the truck from the Team Transport series, and here's the Koenigsegg as well as the Night Rider kit in the Pursuit mode. And yeah, so these are going to be in amazing condition. So here's just a quick overview of all the collections, and here are the cards. Let me know, guys, in the comments below what you want to see me unbox next in my next video. Let me know in the comments, and I will be sure to do it. But just like that, guys, I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure once again had an amazing, very awesome time, and I'm sure you guys do love this video. If you guys let me know in the comments below. If you want to check out anything else, do look at my TikTok as well as other YouTube videos. The link for that will be in the description below. But just like that, guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.